What's up? All right, guys, this one's super fast. Hopefully you remember from last year. Some of you may be blacked out during the pandemic there from March on and don't remember this. But rate of change is the same as constant of proportionality, which is the same as slope. They all mean the same thing in theory. So on this last IXL for this piece of the unit, rate of change graphs here, Z.6, it's going to ask you, according to the graph, what was the rate of change between 2018 and 2019? So I'm looking for 2018, I go up, I'll put a dot there. 2019, I'll put a dot there. And it's just asking you, I started at 16, whoa, at a really ugly 16. And then the next year I was at 19. And so it's just asking, how many kilograms per year did I, dog show enthusiast, record the weight of a winning dog? That's how much weight my dog put on. So plus 3, right? So 3 kilograms per year. It's really that simple. Just pay attention to how it's asking and where it's asking. So like when I say where, like look at the graph or the question on between which years. According to the graph, was rate of change between 2007, right here, and 2008. How many rounds per year? Ms. Weber told students how many rounds to expect in the spelling bee. Oh man, I thought they were gonna have like a UFC fight in this 5th grade class. It is all over. So they had in 2007 13 rounds. In 2008 they had 13 rounds, and then man, kids after that just weren't lasting as long. Only went 8 rounds before they got a submission or a TKO. That's funny right there. I don't care who you are. So zero rounds per year. Did they change? Wait, yeah, 0. They didn't change. I had to make sure it wasn't trying to trick me and get me to write 13. Let me jump ahead, see if the questions get any harder. According to the graph, at what rate of change between 2011 and 2012? Look at that, flatlined 0. Not any harder on that one. 2009, 2010. 2009, I was at 76. 2010, I'm at 82. So 76 to, what did I say? 82 would be 6 minutes per year. Pretty simple. Straight A students, I hope I'm in this list. I'm not in this list. I got a C- in advisory once. Just kidding. According to the graph, what is the rate of change between 2020 and 2021? Ooh, this is going to be pretty low due to COVID and kids not doing their work. Let's be honest. So 0. It didn't change, right? Is it going to get any harder for us? Not really. Okay. Says, worried about going over his storage limit, Lester monitored the number of undeleted voicemail messages stored in his phone each day. Bro, just delete them. God, why would you keep them? Like very rarely do you have one you need to keep, let alone enough that fill your whole voicemail box. Side note. So according to the graph, when was the rate of change greater? So think of it just like the slope question earlier this week. Greater meaning steeper, right? The faster it's changing, the steeper it would be. So like if this would have been, it's not, but if it would have been, let's say it was going along this, and then it went to here, but then all of a sudden it went like that. This section right here where it goes up the most, the fastest, would be the biggest rate of change, the greatest rate of change. So right here, it's going from 9 to 16. Let me get that stuff out of our way here. So right here, I went, let me just write them all. I'm going to write them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It went down 6. Over here, it went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 7. Here it went, oh goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He almost listened to what I had to say. He deleted some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see, obviously, these are losses, so not going to be the greatest rate of change in the positive way. And these are plus 9. So Tuesday to Wednesday is this section, which is a plus 7. I'm just looking at from here to here, straight line. And then Thursday and Friday, between here and here. So between those two, which one has a greater rate of change? The +9. It's that easy, guys.